Is Lockdown 5.0 or Unlock 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0 over the next 100 days. All activities outside containment zones are allowed, with curfew prevailing between 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Also, children below 10, elders above 65 are to stay home. The following activities are to be resumed in a phased manner. Phase 1: Economy, worship, hospitality, shops, local travel with no or graduated restrictions. Phase 2: Education. Phase 3: Others, including international travel, metros, entertainment, congregations. Safe distance, face mask, hand wash are to continue. Work from home or anywhere is to be preferred. There will be many who cannot do these. Still, Corona is strong. 6.3 million cases, of which 3,75,000 deaths in the world, 1,91,000 cases, of which 5,400 deaths in India. Amidst, economy is opening up and catching up slowly. May pick up speed of 2019 only in 2021 or 22. Some migrants are still reaching their native locations. Some are wondering how should we get back, and quite a number wondering on what to do. Some of us are talking about new ways, and some of us are talking about how do we get back to old ways. Many of us in between are lost and directionless. Is it transience, reasonably long transience, or a temporary pause or a slowdown? When Amphan hits, when locust swarms flood, when more pandemics are in the horizon, when climate crisis window is getting narrower, should we not take and tap these opportunities to move towards new normal, towards truth, light and life, natural living and farming centric shorter value chain self-help local economies? Increased inequities and inequalities need attention too. Can we do something about consumption too? Can we be in consumption for a decent life in sync with nature and protecting the future? Can we live with disappearing companies and enterprises? Can we achieve greater immunity? Can we work on consumers and producers towards nutritional food systems? Can we improve our public health systems? Can we be frugal? Can we patronize small and local? Can we be more conscious of our future and planet's future? Act accordingly, can't we? The talk about reverse migration taking us back by 15 years may be pessimistic. The trend cannot be denied. The solution is not loans alone. The self-employed and entrepreneurs need money, investments, or equity, and in a big way. Consumers need money in their hands, again, not loans alone. We need to find work for at least 10 million in rural areas newly, and another 10 to 15 million in the urban areas who may not get their old jobs. As a result, rural areas have significantly, which is approximately 20% more people. More people have to find work in rural areas. There are pressures on commons, forests, land leases, sharecropping, etc. Intensification of agriculture increases. MGNREGS work demand increases. New off-farm and non-farm opportunities are tapped locally. The demand for better education and better health care locally increases. Social protection demand increases. Remittance incomes come down, and need for farm income stabilization or augmentation increases. Pre-production includes fruits, vegetables, dairy, chemical-free produce, agreements increase. Local processing increases. Local economies flourish, maybe around local towns and emerging urban centers with farming and related activities in tandem. This scenario needs to be tapped and supported fully. Government or governments still need to hand over cash to the poor, vulnerable, and marginalized. To some 150 million families, a minimum of rupees 25,000 for restoring dignity, hope, faith, and promise in them. This is just a 15 to 20% of the total stimulus package, but it helps in a big way. Let us not shy away from taxing our rich slightly more. It is also time for our leadership or leaders to learn and show care in kind, responsiveness, and kindness, solidarity emotionally. We hope India in G11 and in United Nations Security Council, Modi in year 7, KCR in year 7 et al. Will take us there. We continue our little endeavors in Unlock 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and beyond. The time has come to intensify these transitions, to strengthen old ways and add new ways of being with, living in nature. Let us get going. Let us reorganize ourselves. Let us reorganize our works and commitments. Let us reorganize our forums, platforms, networks, collectives, organizations, groups, and enterprises. Let us initiate where required. Let us reorganize our schedules. Let us reorganize our methods and practices. Let us have robust portfolios of active transitions. Let us be 7R. Let us practice 7L. Let nature take charge. Let nature take and keep us there. Join us in the world of yoga, Nija Prakriti Yoga for 7L. Krishna confirms he is waiting for us there.